Okay, so what do you observe, guys? We have, if we have an arithmetic progression, okay, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Isme when I'm multiplying with R, the common ratio of a GP, right? I'm forming an arithmetico geometric progression, right? Okay. So what we can do is, okay, you can just solve like the previous question we solved, A plus D into R plus A plus 2D into R square is equal to S. इसको भी R से multiply करो and subtract them. Okay, you will get a shortcut for solving these questions, and that is sum of the infinite terms of an arithmetico geometric series. Okay, that is A upon 1 minus R plus dr upon 1 minus R the whole square. Okay, now guys, when we solve this question, हम लोग इस step पे आए थे, right? इस step पे exactly हमें यही मिला था, this particular AGS. Okay, where the terms are directly in AP. देखो 3, 5, 7, 9, it's an AP, right? So what do we observe, guys? For this AGS, the first term is basically equal to 3 by 7 raised to 0. So what do we observe, guys? For this AGS, the first term is nothing but 3 by 7 raised to 0, or 3 as such, right? Then the common difference is basically equal to 2. You can observe 3, 5, 7, 9. The common difference is 2. Okay. And the common ratio is 1 by 7, right? So now just plugging in the values in this given formula. Okay. You will have the answer for this particular part. For this particular part, you will get the answer very easily. That is 35 by 9. Substituting, you get SS 49 by 27. Okay. Okay, guys, so we solve the next question, and I want you all to just try it out once, and then you can just continue the video and look at the solution. So if mod x is less than 1, find the value of s such that s equals to 2 plus 5x plus 9x square plus 14x cube plus 20x raised to 4 up to infinity. Okay, this is the question, and we have 4 options, and we have to find the correct one. Okay. Now, as I told you, see, if you observe, guys, here the arithmetic progression is 2, 5, 9, 14, 20 का difference, right? 2 and 5 would be the difference. The difference is 3. 5 and 9, the difference is 4. 9 and 14, the difference is 5. 14 and 620, the difference is 6. Okay. So right now we do not have the differences in AP, right? So what we do is, guys, you multiply it by the common ratio, which is x in this case. Okay. And they've also given you mod x is less than 1. So definitely this is an infinite GP. Okay. Now going on further, you have s into x is equal to 2x plus 5x square plus 9x cube plus 14x is to 4, 20x is to 5 up to infinity. And we subtract them now. Guys, when we subtract them, on the left hand side, you will have s minus sx. Okay, take s common between these two. Then 2 में से कुछ subtract करने के लिए है नहीं, write 2 as such. 5x minus 2x will give you 3x. 9x square minus 5x square gives you 4x square. 14x cube minus 9x cube gives you 5x cube, so on and so forth. Okay, now you can observe very clearly, guys, the numbers are in AP, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth, right? So you can just use the formula here, which we saw previously. A upon 1 minus R plus dr upon 1 minus R the whole cube. Now, guys, for the given AP, you can observe that the first term is 2. Okay, A is 2. Okay, the common ratio is X, and the common difference of the AP is nothing but 1. Substituting these values, here ho jayega 2, this will be X, the D will be 1, R will be X upon 1 minus X the whole square. That's exactly what we have in the next step, right? Okay, so when you substitute, you get this thing. And if you observe carefully, यहाँ पे 1 minus x है या 1 minus x square है. So we multiply ऊपर नीचे by 1 minus x. So 2 into 1 minus x will be 2 minus 2x, right? Now you can keep the common denominator. Okay, and the common denominator, you will have 2 minus x, okay, plus x, right? 2 minus 2x plus x, right? 2 minus 2x plus x will be 2 minus x, the denominator. And this is your required final answer in this case, right? 2 minus x divided by 1 minus x the whole cube. Okay, you bring it this side, 1 minus x, you will have 2 minus x upon 1 minus x the whole cube. This is option A.